Hello everyone, welcome to my study table where management concepts are made easy. In today's video, I will take you through the Porter's 5 forces model, which is a very popular approach that looks at a firm's competitive environment by analyzing 5 key forces. Together, these forces determine the overall profit potential of the industry. Meanwhile, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. The Porter's 5 forces model is a business analysis tool that helps companies analyze the industry they are in or the industry they want to enter into. It helps measure and analyze the competitive intensity within the industry, the attractiveness and the profit potential of the market, and thus is used across companies as a strategic management tool. The main competitive forces in an industry include competitive rivalry, threat of new entrants, power of suppliers, power of buyers, and the threat of substitutes. An individual company can earn better margins than its competitors if it can deal more effectively with these key forces. Let's go through each of these forces one by one. Beginning with competitive rivalry. High rivalry will induce firms to reduce price and improve quality in order to maintain and increase market share. This may reduce the profit margins. Usually, the rivalry is greatest where competitors are similar sized, the growth in the market is relatively slow, and there is a lesser degree of product differentiation. An organization will be highly competitive if its presence in the market is the result of a strategic need. Moving on to the threat of new entrants. New entrants into a market will bring extra capacity and intensify competition. The threat from new entrants will depend upon the strength of the barriers to entry and the likely response of existing competitors to a new entrant. The major sources of barriers to entry include economies of scale, where the industry is one where unit costs decline significantly as volume increases, such that a new entrant will be unable to start on a comparable cost basis. Cost advantages independent of scale, example patent subsidies, etc. Legal approvals, access to distribution channels, and industry and government policies. Bargaining power of suppliers. The power of suppliers to charge higher prices will be influenced by the presence of one or two dominant suppliers controlling prices and the degree to which switching costs apply. So the powers of suppliers will be high in the presence of high switching cost. The powers will also be the greatest in a market where there are fewer substitutes, there is a uniqueness of product offering and brand, and where there is a possibility of forward integration. Powerful customers can force price cuts and quality improvements. Either way, margins are eroded. The bargaining power of customers is high when a combination of factors arise. Such factors could include the following: 1. Concentration of buyers. 2. Where alternative sources of supply exist. 3. Where switching costs are low and the customers can easily switch to other available suppliers. And 4. Where there is a threat of backward integration. Moving on to the threat of substitutes. Now, the threat of substitute products can be seen not only across industries, for example, air travel or rail travel, but also within an industry, like tea and coffee. Substitutes limit the potential returns and hence need to be analyzed. The threat is based on the total number and the types of substitutes available in the market. The availability of more substitutes would mean low attractiveness of the industry. After the analysis, one could draw few inferences. If there are a large number of roughly equal-sized firms, it would mean that the market is highly concentrated and competitive. If the suppliers and the customers of the company are weak, it would mean that the company's bargaining power would be much stronger. And if the market has fewer substitutes, it would mean that the industry is attractive and has scope of improved profitability as customers wouldn't switch to substitutes that easily. I hope you really liked this video. There will be a caselet analysis on the model coming up soon. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Here's to happy learning, now and always.